Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to join a Telegram group. So for you to be able to join a Telegram group, just open your Telegram, and right now here's two different options at which you can take to join the Telegram group. The first is to receive a basic link that allows you to join the Telegram group by just tap on the link, then that will take you down to the Telegram group. Then you can simply join the group, and if the group is on privacy mode, you're gonna have to request to join the group. And if the group is free and there's a free access to join by the public, just tap on join the group. So for you to find the group to join on Telegram, you can just simply use the search bar right here. Then from there you can search groups to join. For example, maybe channel. You can see these are available channel, so just search for particular channel, then tap on it. So right here under this month, under this mute, if you are new to that particular group, just tap on join, and if it is private, just tap on request to join, and that's it. And sometimes also you can just join using some random link, and that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to join a Telegram group.